This piece is called Natural Woman. She's so natural, crazy, sexy, cool, mellow, and laid back. A heart of gold, but just like any other natural woman, she can give you a verbal or a physical slap. Loves the beauty of life, not just the sight, but the sound. A smile so peaceful can make an aggressive fool comfortably put his guards down. Respect to elders, give a child the shirt off her back. The beauty of God's wisdom does she reflect. Good posture, head back, strutting like a queen, worthy of respect. Treats her son like a prince, daughter like a princess. Coming from a queen, should you expect anything less? Rooted in the old school, culturally aware, cornrows, afro, gel twist braids, doing her own hair from front to back, no need for weaves or tracks, happy to be nappy, and yes, proud to be black. She's so natural. She manages to keep a warm heart even though the world grows more and more cold. Quick to point out the truth and will speak up on it, yes, very bold. Love of good, hater of evil. Ain't taking no shit off of men, women, niggas, bitches, or white people. She's so natural. One of the side effects of the black experience is pain, and yes, everyone alive has felt some type of pain in their lives thus far, and pain is one of God's tools that helps to mold you into the person that you really are, but being a young black woman grown into adulthood, more than necessarily the experiences are not so good. The lust, the disgust of natural or unnatural man can leave scars too deep for the physical and must be healed through the spiritual hand. This is why we always used to say, it's a black thing. You wouldn't understand. Right. Yet through all the painful scars, she can still have a smile on her face because she knows she's covered by God's grace. She's so natural. She knows the difference between a good man and a dumb fella. The older she gets, the wiser she gets. Thinking outside of the box, no longer a surface dweller. Skin smooth and brown, breasts perky, legs tongue to a T. Make a pastor say, Lord have mercy. She's so natural. An angel in the flesh. A heart of gold is what she's got. The light of wisdom shines forth from her in the midst of a dark world, but the darkness comprehends it not. A natural woman knows what to say at the right time. She knows when the child or the husband has something on the mind. She may say, this too shall pass. Baby, hold up your head, and brothers, heaven can be found on earth right between a natural woman's legs. Oh, glory. Oh, yeah. Yes. She's so natural. A natural woman will always tell her son, give women the utmost respect at all times. A natural woman will tell him, lead. Try not to follow, and if you see trouble coming and your friends want to run to it, don't be ashamed to make up your own mind. A natural woman will tell her daughter, always carry yourself like a lady. Stay happy and full of joy. Don't be angry and hollow. A natural woman will tell her, baby, you can like whoever you want to like, but make sure you are your own role model. A natural woman spends her money wisely. She may not be rich, but she's far from cheap. A natural woman knows how to cook up a Sunday meal to go with the game that'll make you fart, belch, and possibly take your ass to sleep. She's so natural. This piece was written and designed in a language hopefully everyone can relate to. This piece is dedicated to my natural woman and to all the natural women under the sound of my voice. This is also dedicated to you. May you continue to stay natural and cool. May God bless you in every good deed you do. My name is Brother Rob, and for your attentive listening, I say thank you.